Your first step to helping. First aid is the very first help. It is help for someone who is hurt or gets sick suddenly. This help is given right away before doctors or nurses arrive. Think of it as quick help given on the spot. This first help is so important. It is the first step to feeling better. First aid has some big goals. The main goal is to save a life. Another goal is to stop things from getting worse. We don't want a small problem to become big. First aid also helps to start the healing and make the person more comfortable. Simple actions can achieve these big goals. Who can give first aid? The good news is, many people can. You do not need to be a doctor or a nurse. Anyone who learns the basics can help. Even knowing a little bit is good. Having compassion is also key. Wanting to help is a great start. First aid is for everyone to learn. You can be the person who helps. So, when do we use first aid? We use it in many situations. After a small accident at home or a bigger one on the road. If someone suddenly feels very unwell, like if they have trouble breathing or faint. First aid is for those first few critical minutes. It is care until professional help takes over. Knowing first aid is super important. It can truly save someone's life. Imagine someone is choking or someone's heart stops. Quick action can be the difference between life and death. You could be that person who helps, a real lifesaver. First aid can also help people get better faster. When someone gets help right away, their injury might not be so bad. Their recovery can be much quicker, meaning less time feeling sick or hurt. Prompt care prevents complications. A clean wound heals better than a dirty one. Starting care early makes a big impact. Another key thing first aid does is it stops things from getting worse. Sometimes a small cut can bleed a lot or a burn can get deeper. If no one helps, it can become serious. First aid steps in to prevent this, helping to control the situation. It keeps the injury from escalating. Knowing first aid gives you confidence. When an emergency happens, it is scary. People can panic if they don't know what to do, but if you know first aid, you feel more prepared and calm. You know the steps to take. You can think clearly and act. This confidence helps you and the injured person. They will feel safer because you are calm. Being able to act is a great feeling. Great. When you see someone needs help, stop. The very first step is always safety. Your safety comes first, always remember this. Look around for any danger. Is there traffic? Is there fire? Are there any sharp objects nearby? Make sure the area is safe for you. Then make sure it is safe for the person. If it is not safe, do not rush in. Call for professional help to manage dangers. Next, you need to check if the person responds. Are they awake? Do they know you are there? Speak to them in a clear, calm voice. You can say, "Hello, can you hear me?" Or, "My name is your name, I'm here to help." You can gently tap their shoulder. Ask them, "Are you okay?" Open your eyes. If they respond, they are conscious. If they do not respond, they are unconscious. This changes what you need to do next. Whether they respond or not, call for help. This means calling your local emergency number. In many places, this is 911, 112, or 999. Know your local emergency number. Tell the operator what has happened and where you are. Listen carefully to their instructions. Do not hang up until they tell you to. Section 4. Your first aid kit must have tools for quick help. A first aid kit holds tools for emergencies. Keep one at home, in your car, and at work. Essential items include bandages, sterile dressings, antiseptic wipes, and gloves. Also have scissors, tweezers, pain relief, and an emergency blanket. Check your kit regularly and replace expired items. A well-stocked kit can make all the difference in an emergency. Section 5. Be ready, be safe. The power of first aid knowledge. Being prepared is always a good idea. We never know when an accident will happen. It could be a small thing at home, like a burn from cooking or a fall down the stairs. It could be something bigger outside. Accidents can happen anywhere, anytime, to anyone. Being ready means you are not caught off guard. You have the tools and skills to act. Knowing first aid gives you power. It is the power to help. When someone is hurt, you are not helpless. You do not have to just stand by, you can take action and make a real difference. This knowledge can reduce fear and help you stay calm. This is so important in an emergency. Your calm actions can save a day, so I really want to encourage you. Learn more about first aid. There are many ways to learn. You can take a first aid course. Many organizations offer them. These courses give you hands-on practice. You can also read books about first aid or watch reliable videos online. The more you learn, the better prepared you are. Practice the skills so you remember them. This knowledge is a gift, a skill that lasts a lifetime. Learn first aid and be ready to help.